What is up, beauty babes? It's your favorite YouTuber, Brittany Nicole, back at it with another video. As you've seen that thumbnail, you read that title, sis, you already know what time it is. Today I am going to be showing y'all how I install my lace front wigs. So without further ado, before you get into this video, guys, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to press that bell. Don't forget to press that bell so you can know time into my post. And if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back to the channel. Alright, you guys, so the wig that I'll be talking about is this wig right here. I don't really think it has a name. I literally got it off of Amazon. I think, I can't remember which I paid for it. I'll list it down in the links below, but it didn't really come with anything. As you can see, I already took the wig out, whatever, because I was playing with it. So, here is the wig. This is the lace front. Has two combs on the side and a comb in the back. And it's wavy. When I tell you, you guys, this hair is so freaking soft. It is so freaking soft. So you guys, we're going to jump straight into the video. So as you can see, I've already laid down my cap and put my foundation and all that stuff on. If you don't know how to do that and you would like to see, I will link that video in the description below. I've already done that video, so we're going to keep it moving. So now all I'm going to do is literally take my lace front and I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation and stuff on it. So, alright guys, so I am back. As you can see, I have my foundation or whatever on the hair. So while that is drying, I'm going to go ahead and start the next process. So after you have applied the cap, put your foundation, all that stuff on it, so that the application sticks and you want a nice pre-melt, we're going to go ahead and clean this surface. So I'm just taking some alcohol and I'm just going to clean my skin. Now that you have cleaned your face up, now there's two things I'm going to use. I don't know if I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but I'll be using the black Vaseline glue and the OG. So now all we're going to do is applying. So Alright, you guys, so this is basically the end of the video. All I'm doing, as you can see right here, is putting water on my hair and getting my waves together. As you can see, this is a beautiful wig. I will link the wig down in the description box below if you want to purchase this wig. But you guys, this is it. This is the look. I kind of did my edges big, but that's how I like it. Please follow my social media, subscribe, and like you always, you're a boss. Bye.